P6 comes with 3 cushion sizes for your choice. Open the mask package. Take out the user manual, mask, large and small cushions successively. Place the mask onto the nostrils under the guidance of the direction marks. And then pull the headgear over the head top. Please ensure the size mark on the cushion faces down when fitting. Adjust the bilateral and the top points of the headgear to get a better fit. Please ensure 1 or 2 fingers can slide in easily after adjustment. Finally, pull the mask slightly to recheck the fitness.